Our topic will be sentence and its kinds. Some people say grammar is dry, but I do not consider it. Grammar is not a dry subject. It can also be easy, but if grammar should be taught with illustrations, with presentations, with designs, and with different types of structures, then we can easily read grammar. Dear students, sentence. What is definition of sentence? To understand sentence, we have to care two things. First, finite verb. A sentence has a finite verb. Without finite verb, there can be no sentence. Second, groups of words are written in a particular order. For this, I shall present before you some examples through which you can easily understand about sentence. There are two columns, A and B. Good boy Mohan A is. Mohan is a good boy. See the column carefully. In column A, we see a group of words. Good boy Mohan A is. This is a group of words. And same words are written under column B. But can we say this is sentence? Which of the columns can be a sentence? In first column, we see the words are not in a particular order. Good, boy, Mohan, A is not a particular way. So this is not a sentence. Under column B, Mohan is a good boy. This is in a particular manner. This is in an arranged way. So this is a sentence. Here the words are written in a proper order. So this is a sentence and this is not a sentence because the words are not in an arranged manner, in an arranged way. So sentence is a group of words. Arranged in a particular manner, in a particular way. Now I shall want to give you another example. Second example, my is this school. This is my school. Same words are written in both columns. My is this school. This is my school. Under column A are the words written in proper order? Answer anyone? The words are in proper order or not? Stand up. Very good. Sit down. Here the words are not in proper order, arranged way, in a particular way. So this is not a sentence. Is this a sentence? No, this is not a sentence. Here words are not in an arranged way. But under column B, this is my school is a sentence. Because words are written in a particular order. When the words are written in particular order, then a sentence becomes. And another important thing is, all of you should know, at the end of sentence, full stop is found. At the end of sentence, we put full stop. Mohan is a good boy, full stop. This is a sentence. Further, we will discuss about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. There are three kinds of sentence. First, statement. Second, questions. Third, commands. There are three types of sentence: statement, question, and command. First statement. What is statement? What do you know by statement? When someone said something, it is called statement. Example, Hari eats mango. Hari eats mango. Someone says Hari eats mango. Hari eats mango is statement. And second question. In question, we ask questions. When someone asks questions, then it is question. Question is also called interrogative sentence. And statement is also called affirmative sentence. And negative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we ask questions. In statement, we say something. As example of questions, is your name Pramid? Is your name Pramid? Is this sentence statement or question? Stand up. Is this sentence statement or question? Very good. Sit down. Is your name Pramid? This is question. Here, somebody is asking the name of Pramid. Pramid is the name of a boy. And somebody is asking Pramid his name. Is your name Pramid? This is question. At the end of question, question mark is put. Interrogative sentence. This is recognition of interrogative sentence. At the end of interrogative sentence, question mark is found. Question mark. This is question mark. At every interrogative sentence, question mark is found. If you are writing an interrogative sentence and do not use question mark, then your sentence will not be said right. Your sentence is incomplete. Your sentence is totally wrong. All of you have to care this thing. Next, we go on commands. Open the door. Please sit down. When there is a sense of command, request, order, then it is commands. Another name, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence expresses commands, request, order, negation. Open the door. Please sit down. Open the door. Order. Somebody is ordering you. Open the door. Somebody is saying to you, open the door. Here, orders. Please sit down. Here, somebody is requesting you to sit down. Please sit down. Here, sense of request. Do not play on the road. What type of sentence is this? Do not play on the road. Here, there is a sense of negation. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. This is imperative sentence. An important thing about imperative sentence is this. All of you know, should care attentively. In an imperative sentence, you is understood. You is understood. Do not play on the road. You do not play on the road. You is understood. Open the door. Here you is understood. In imperative sentence, U is under stool. Dear students, grammar is foundation of language. Without grammar, you cannot take a single step in the English world. So, all of you should care grammar sincerely and attentively. Now, I am giving you some examples and try to recognize what type of sentence is this. I am reading a novel. A novel. Am I reading a novel? Third, read book. Here are three sentences. First sentence, I am reading a novel. What type of sentence is? Stand up. What type of sentence is? Stand up. Very good. Sit down. This is a statement. I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel. This is a statement. I say this. I am reading a novel. This is a statement. Am I reading a novel? Stand up. Very good. Here, I ask question. This is interrogative sentence. And read book. Command. Hands down. Questions? Command. Have all of you understood kinds of sentence? Very good. Now, I am sit down telling you structure of sentence. Structure of sentence. What is structure of sentence? Subject plus verb plus object. If you are writing an affirmative sentence, an assertive sentence, then you should follow the structure of sentence. At the time of writing sentence, first write subject, second verb, third object. First we write subject, second we write verb, third we write object. If you are writing in this way, then your sentence will be perfectly right. Reads, I am presenting you an example. See carefully. Reads a book Mohan. Come, make a sentence. Reads a book Mohan. We have to write a sentence. We have to construct a sentence. In sentence, what is first written? Subject. We write first the subject. See this figure? Where is sentence? Where is subject? Where is subject? Which of these words is subject? Reads. Subject. Is the subject? No. A book?
Yes, sir.
No. Book is not a subject. Mohan. Mohan is a subject. Subject is Mohan. We feel you do not know about the subject. What is subject? You don't know. Subject is the person about which something is said. Here, all words written about Mohan, all things about Mohan. Reads a book. Mohan. Mohan is subject here. Mohan, subject. And after subject, we write verb. What is verb here? Stand up. Very good. Sit down. Reads. Reads. And third number object. After verb we write object. A book is an object. And full stop. Mohan reads a book. This is your sentence. Make a sentence like this. Then your sentence is correct. Your sentence will be correct. First, when you have to write a sentence, first choose subject, then choose verb, then choose object. Here Mohan is subject, reads verb, and a book is object. Mohan reads a book. This is a sentence. Now second example. Read I public Raman school. Read I public Raman school. Okay? Yes, sir. Firstly, find subject. Read, no subject. Public, Raman, not subject. School, not subject. I, its subject. Here, something is said about I. I subject. So, write I first. I. Second, we write verb. Verb, what is verb? Read. I read. I read. Read I public Raman school in. Here are the words. I read in Raman public school. In Raman public school. In Raman public school. Understood? Yes, sir. Very good. Now we learn how to change affirmative into negative. To change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Here is a sentence. Ravi is a good painter. Ravi is a good painter. This is an affirmative sentence. You have to change this sentence into negative sentence. Very easy rule. Is this to make negative sentence see carefully, To make negative sentence, we put a not after verb. After verb, first word. Sometimes verbs are seen in two words. Then we want to say that put not after first word. To make negative sentence, we put not after first word of the verb. Ravi is a good painter. This is to change in negative sentence. First, find verb. What is verb in this sentence? Stand up. Very good. Sit down. Is verb. We found verb. Is. What shall I do then? Ravi is, and after is not used. Use not. Ravi is not a good painter. First, choose verb, and then after the verb not used. Firstly, choose verb and then use not after it. Okay? Ravi is a good painter. Ravi is not a good painter. This is negative sentence and this is affirmative. Second example. Mohit has been playing since morning. Mohit has been playing since morning. This is affirmative sentence. Change this into negative sentence. What have I to see? Firstly, I have to see. Firstly, what is verb? Helping verb. What is helping verb here? Stand up. Has been. Sit down. Here you see your helping verb is has been. And here are two words. First has, second been. First has, second been. Two words. Are in helping verb. So Mohit where had not been after been or has. Where had to not. After has or been not or has not. Stand up. Sit down. I have told you before that not is added after the first word of helping verb. Not is added after the first word of helping verb. First word is has, so negative form of this sentence is Mohan has not been playing since morning. Okay. Not is added after the first word of helping verb, so its negative form will be Mohan has not been playing since morning. Third, she was opening window. This has to change into negative sentence. She was opening window. Who can tell this? Who can send this? Stand up. What is its negative form? Speak full sentence. Look for helping verb here. Sit down. Stand up. What is helping verb here? Very good. Sit down. Here was is helping verb. Not is added after this. She was not opening window. The most important thing you should know, helping verb. You have to learn helping verb properly. Then the helping verb will assist you to make negative sentence and interrogative sentence. If you do not learn helping verb, then you will have difficulty. You will be in problem for changing affirmative into negative.